Guys, Expressions Fest is done. 2 days, day 1 and day 2 is done, and then and now today it's like a post-fest holiday. It's Monday. It's a post-fest holiday, and we felt like we should do something. It's around 5 in the evening, and we felt like we should do something. And we have been planning this pickleball for almost a month, and we have come here to play at AV Sports Arena. I think this place. It's near Kit Road in Bhubaneswar, and we came here to play some pickleball. There are like 8 people. I'll show you. This is our guys, and Mitesh is explaining the rules to everyone because no one knows. I think almost everyone playing this pickleball for the first time. Mitesh has played before, so he's explaining the rules, and Siddharth has seen some YouTube videos and is trying to explain some more rules. We'll see how it goes. Chinnam, this guy doesn't know how to play. This guy doesn't know anything. Let's see how it goes. I'm gonna smash the fuck out of him. We are starting, guys. Come on, Nitesh. Nobody knows how to play, but we are trying to learn. It's an out, and the team which is gonna serve are gonna get the points. Even though the non-serving team get the point, they won't get the point until they serve. That's how it works, as far as we know. This box is called as kitchen. Are a box in kitchen antara? That box is called as kitchen, and it has to be pitched once when they serve and when they're gonna take it. You'll see it once. See. So guys, after a long time, Mitesh has been asking us for the last 3 weeks to play pickleball. Finally, we came today. Yeah, we played like 2 games so far. It was like interesting. That guy, he doesn't know shit about the game. He always makes me feel like I don't know anything about the game. Ajay! Come boys, sit down. Play. Out. Fight and out. Fight and change.
Chinnam, who you think will win the finals?
I think we
How?
will give tough competition.
How?
By having good length of coordination between me and Mitesh. And he's the most cheapest guy. He doesn't know how to play, and tells every other people to how to play.
Mitesh, who will win?
It's an obvious answer. We will win for sure.
What about the opponents?
Huh?
What about the
They
opponents?
have tried in the
Great
last
coordination.
match, but they don't have any chance this time.
No, all right.
And coming to this side, one guy is a TT player and one guy is a tennis player. We'll see how they react. Monish, who will win?
Opponent is very tough. The main player Chinnam, he's the most toughest player I've ever faced. But we'll see in the finals. Let's
last
see.
match we didn't drop
who
a
will win.
single point against our opponents, so we'll do the same now.
We are very excited to face Chinnam.
Chalo then.
Selfie on. Leela, me and Leela lost both the matches.
But we tried.
But it's just a bluff.
Yeah.
It's just a bluff from our side. Like we are just trying to let them play.
Next time we are
let them
swapping
win
our
and
teams.
give some confidence to play. Next time we will win. That's for sure. Let's see who is gonna win this one. And Chinnam. Chinnam just lost a point. Obviously he will lose a point whenever it comes to him. Now Siddharth is serving. It's a good shot by Mitesh. These guys got a point. The serve down, and now these guys are again. It's a first hand one, first hand serve. It's a good serve from Mitesh, and they got a point. Chinnam is like a ball boy. He just gets the ball every time. As I said, like it always happens whenever ball comes to Chinnam. It always happens like this only. Let's see some gameplay from Monish and Siddharth. It's an out, but yeah, bad luck. Yeah, it's on the same court. So this is served by Chinnam. So, it's a final game point. Mitesh is serving. And Mitesh and Chinnam has won. Come on, celebrations, guys! Come on! Siddharth, the tennis player, and Mr. Monish, table tennis player, have lost this game. How are you guys feeling? After losing, being the best team, and you guys still lost. How did you feel being choked? Normally Chinnam always chokes, but this time he clutched. He didn't clutch. He didn't play well also. But I have just changed the teams. The teams have been shuffled, and me and Chinnam, unfortunately, me and Chinnam is in one team. We just won with Leela and Maunish's opposition. We just won. Not because of him. He just boasts himself now and then. Just leave him. Now Siddharth and Abhishek is in one team, and Mitesh and Bhanu is in one team. All of these are almost juniors. Let's see who wins this one. Whoever wins this one is going to be playing with us in the finals.
We were saying that we were like counting how many times Abhishek and Siddharth will scold each other.
Yeah. Now Abhishek is gonna. Arey, what umpire ra? Now Abhishek is gonna rage bait Siddharth. Let's see how many times he's gonna get rage baited. The rage bait has just started. It's been 1 point, and it's already been like 2 rage baits. See. Arey. Same court. How are you guys feeling? Siddharth, how are you guys feeling? Hey, English. Abhishek and Siddharth have just lost. It was a close match, by the way. 11-9. I'm coming.
But losers versus this match going on. So previous game 13 times rage bait was happened. Now we are expecting more than 13. So one of the best one was like you don't have game. See, it started now also.
This was game, and this is the game point, and Siddharth. These guys just won, but still they are losers.